Computers are great at reading computer languages, but it's not always easy for humans. So comments are a way of adding some text that is primarily targeted towards human readers. So the comment tag is used to insert comments in the source code. Comments are not displayed in the browsers. So you can use comments to explain your code, which can help you when you edit the source code at the later date. So this is especially useful if you have a lot of code. So every programming language has some way of representing comments. So in HTML5, if you want to add something in your file that you want the browser to completely ignore, so the comment tag is used. So it starts with this symbol and ends with this symbol. So meaning that as the computer is reading through your HTML file, if it sees the symbol, it will ignore everything it sees until it comes across this symbol. There is no open or close tag, just a comment tag. So unlike other things in HTML5, comments cannot be nested. If you try this, the computer will then see the beginning of the comment tag and starts to ignore everything until it sees this symbol. So including the second, the symbol here. So when it sees this symbol, it assumes that the comment is done and goes back to processing everything it sees as HTML code and content. So if it stops here, this line here will not be considered as a comment. And also, like most other tags, it can span multiple lines of your source code. So this can be really convenient when you have a lot to say. For example, with this one. And comments are also commonly used in development to block out bits of codes, whether for testing or leaving unfinished business in the file. So such as this. So it is a bit of code right here. If you use a comment, this one will not be processed, but it will stay as a comment. So it's important to remember that just as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are three different languages, they each have their own notation for handling comments.